Hey friends, today in this video I will show you how we can create an inventory for all shared drives in your server, including shared drive name, shared drive size, as well as ACL permissions which are just assigned to shared drives. So for that I will just open a PowerShell script and I will show you how this PowerShell script is working and how this PowerShell script is exporting these all details inside a Excel file. So let's start. So this is import hyphen module import Excel. So this will just import the module Excel, and in the next line this is get all available drives except C drive. So in case if your system is having D, E or F drive, so this will just fetch the details of drives except C drive, because we don't want to export the information related with shared drives or any folders from your C drive. So we are just excluding this C drive by typing this script command here. This is $_dot_drive type equal to 3 and device ID not equal to C drive. So if your system is having like 5 drives, so this will just fetch the details for all drives except C drives. Now we are just creating an array to store the data. So the data will be stored over here. Now we are using the for each loop. In the for each loop you can see this is $drive in drives. So this will fetch the informations from drives inside a $drive variable. This is $root folder. So this will just fetch the informations device ID like D drive, E drive or F drive. Next, get all subfolders in the current drive. So if you have more than 5 folders or 10 folders, currently you can see in my system is having 2 drives, C and E, and in the E drive we have HR data and IT backup. So 2 folders are also available over here. So this will just fetch the details of all drives shared folders from this variable. Now we are using loop through each subfolders to get together information. So now we are again using a new variable, that is for each $folder in subfolders. So this is just calling this informations from subfolders variable inside a $folder variable. $folder name equal to folder name. So the name which is just assigned to any shared folder, that will just fetched from this $folder name equal to folder name variable. So now folder size, this will just fetch the folder size, and similarly this will just calculate the folder size into MB. If you just want to fetch the information in GB, so you can just change it accordingly. Now ACL info. So this is a PowerShell command that will fetch the ACL informations of your shared drive, like because we have the like HR data, so this will just fetch the details of that using this get-ACL. So this command will just fetch the security permissions of your shared drive. Next is ACL data, ACL info dot access for each object. So this will just calculate all folders and files, then will just fetch the details inside the $ACL data variable. Next is like data equal to, this is drive, that this will just prompt a drive later like D drive, and folder name and folder size, and also the ACL permissions. And after that this will just export these all details inside of E folder informations dot xlsx. So this will just fetch the output inside E drive, because if you just want to fetch the information in any other drive, so you can specify the path accordingly as per your requirement. Now this is just exporting the data to an Excel file. So this will just create a table or a cell, you can say, in the Excel file. So this is just a command that is just exporting the data inside of Excel and creating a table and other informations for your Excel file. Now write host Excel file output file generated. So once this file will be generated, this will just prompt a message like Excel file and the file name and the path which you just specified over here, that will come on your PowerShell command over here. Now I'm just going to uh, to to execute this PowerShell script. So what I will do, I will just execute it and we'll see how this inventory has been created and how it's working. So let's wait. Now this file has been generated and this is the name of the file and the location where this has been generated. I will go there. This is the file which has been generated now. This is just opening the file. This is the folder informations. You can see this is the drive where these two folder has been created and the size of the folder as well as the ACL permissions. So currently this IT backup folder is having 0.0 MB. This is blank, you can say, and currently two groups having the permissions, like domain admins is having full control, and whereas IT team group is also having full control. You can just cross check by going on this folder. I will go on the security. You can see currently this group is having full control. Similarly, domain admins is also having the full control. So this is the PowerShell script that will help you to just fetch the informations from your all shared drives and their size as well as the location where this folder has been created. If you just want to use this PowerShell script, so you can just visit my web blog, that is www.infoelias.com, where we just created this PowerShell informations as well as also written the things how this PowerShell script is working. You can just scroll it down and you can see we have written this PowerShell script over here, and you can just use it and you can check it for your all shared drive informations from your servers where you have created the shared drives. Thank you for watching this video.